You're watching I Love I, where we show you cool places to eat. My name is Nate. Today we're in North Hollywood and we're checking out the best chicken spot, Dave's Hot Chicken. Let's go. All right, so we're here at the Arts District in NoHo, and they opened up the Dave's Hot Chicken. This is their second location. We've done a video of them before, way back when they were just in a parking lot. It's cool to see that they got a couple locations. If you guys haven't seen that video, check that one right there out. They got a real simple menu. You get tenders or sliders. It comes with fries, so you can either order 1, 2, or 3. So either you can get 2 tenders, fries, you can get 2 sliders, fries, or you can get 1 slider, 1 tender, and then fries. And then you can also add on a tender or a slider, which is cool. This is what we did. I got 2 sliders right here, and I added an extra tender. And we got it mild. You got to put a little heat so that way you can enjoy it. They got their kale slaw. Get the kale slaw, put on the slider, put some of the sauce, and you're good to go. But let's check this out. I ate most of the fries already. And one thing you gotta do when you go to Dave's, you gotta ask for a lot of sauce, because this sauce is bomb. Don't be scared to drench it with sauce. So, all right, here we go. Cheers. Oh, honestly, this is probably my favorite chicken spot in LA. I know a lot of people are gonna say Howlin' Ray's. I think one of the reasons why is they use all tenders, and it's all, I mean, they use chicken breast on it, but it's juicy. It's so good. It's so damn good. And if you guys haven't been to Dave's, this is a place you guys should check out. Parking is kind of limited here. So one of the things I really like is, I mean, I actually go to Dave's pretty frequently. I probably go there like every couple weeks or so. But one of the things that I really like about it is they've been able to keep the consistency in their taste, even though when they went from a pop-up in a parking lot to a brick and mortar, and this is their second location. So, dude, word up, man, that's great. And one of the coolest things is they're so fast. Even if you see a line out the door, you've been in and out quick. Like, we got here and got my order within like 5 minutes.
Order 3, Sam.
So good. And I got a soda. I don't know if you guys realize about Coke. Not every restaurant has the original syrup for Coke. There's only 2 that I know of. McDonald's and In-N-Out have the original syrup, and Dave's Hot Chicken as well. So that's what's up. I love this spot. But if there's any other chicken spots that you guys know of and you guys want us to check out, any other restaurants you guys want us to check out, let us know down below. Do us a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, share this with your family and friends, and we'll catch you next video. Peace.